how to add custom ringtone to alarm. So hello guys, in this picture tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that, you need to go to Clock app. If you don't have that, you guys can download it from App Store or Play Store. So I will simply click on Clock. Here you guys will see plus icon, also alarm, wall clock, stopwatch, timer. So for custom ringtone, I will simply click on that plus icon. Now here you guys will see ringtone vibration, also snooze. So simply click on the ringtone vibration. Now here you guys will see vibration classic themes and other things. So I will simply click on custom, like on downside on this device. So simply click on that. Once you click on that, here you guys will see your music in your phone. So you guys can select your favorite. After that, select it and back. Once you back that ringtone will be added to your alarm. So that's how you guys can do that. It works on Samsung, iPhone, Android, and your any device. Thanks for watching.